ka Jingpyn thamai ka bahe ya ka thup kerteng ki nongthep vote kadang ya chakmat ha West Bengal. Katkum ki jingi thu khubor ka thup kerteng ki nongthep vote kala banduna hadu kumba ndriu phupra lakngut ladaya nujor bat ka election ha usnam 8,000 apusaw Lok Sabha elections. Lakadaw bakumba iway pointan klur ki kerteng la aidak badon ki jing yaphe ne ki jing bombyang katba lai point riu lakngut ki nongthep vote la ong ba om shem lala ban ai notice ne Jingpyn banang. Ka Jingpyn shisha bat ka Jingpyn bet ya ki case la khmi linti bakan kut no haka arpuway tarik urimpang.
West Bengal's electoral rolls could shrink by at least 68 lakh voters compared to the 2024 Lok Sabha polls after the special intensive revision exercise. Around 1.5 crore voters were flagged with logical discrepancies or marked as unmapped and asked to attend in-person hearings. However, over 3.6 lakh voters could not even be served notices, as booth-level officers failed to locate them. All documents submitted during hearings must now be verified, and cases disposed of by February 21, setting the stage for significant deletions from the final voter list.